What's cracking, y'all? It's your boy Futuristic, and on this tutorial, I'm going to show you how the entire community site works. Welcome to the final tutorial for the community. This tutorial is going to show you everything that's on the homepage and how it all functions. So this is the homepage of the community. Everything that's on this page in this little scroll down right here is going to be people that are looking for services, looking to collaborate with you. So if you update your profile or do anything like that, it's not going to show up in the community on the homepage. This is only for people that are looking for engineers, features, graphic designers, music reviews, so on and so forth, as you see on the left-hand side. This other thing on the left-hand side, recent discussions, is exactly that. It updates in real time, and it's going to be the recent discussions of people looking for services in the community. If you go to the right side, this shows you who's online that you are connected with, your connections, and who's online, all right here. And these will take you to the main Indie Amplify site so that you can get anything that you need from features, consulting, playlisting, YouTube reactions, and more. And here is the very, very stylish merch. Get you some mother freaking drip, man. Okay, if you go up here to the top, we have also moved the blog over. So you go to news, and this is going to be your news blog. This is very important because it tells you everything that's happening in the independent music world, everything that's going on that you need to know about to further your career, maybe things that are going to help you out get to the next level. Another cool thing is the members. You can look at all the members of Indie Amplify of the community and come through here and look and see who's online, see who's working, see who wants to collaborate. So let's go to here, Adam Amplify. Adam Amplify is the man behind building this site. Since me and him are friends, we can message each other. Right here has the message icon. If you are not friends with somebody, you cannot message them. This icon will not be there if you are not friends with them. If you'll go over here, you will see where your messages are. I have a message from Tim. I'm going to go ahead and view this in the inbox. How you feeling about the community so far? This is big lit, fam. Whoa. Send that reply, and boom, right away, he's going to get that. Let's go back to the main page. If you look over here, this is just easy ways to get to your account, your profile settings, your messages, all of the things that are connected to you. Once again, you go here, it's going to take you to your profile. Boom. Back to the home page. And that is the community. Very simple, very easy to use. You can work with whoever you want to work with over here on this side. We appreciate y'all so much. Glad to have you a part. Make sure you sign up. And if all else fails, take your butt over to Indie Amplify and get what you need on these tabs, baby. It's your boy Futuristic. Over and out. Sheesh.